We're thrilled by our most recent 5-star review from someone that just experienced our great customer service. Our team works hard to go the extra mile for everyone, so this type of review is very rewarding.
JMS came through for us on a hot day. They accurately assessed the problem. Then they promptly fixed it for a great price. Because of the great service we received, I decided to get the monthly maintenance. I will recommend them to my friends.
But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more information, please contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to talking to you.